Hey guys, welcome back to The Pocket Creator. If you're thinking about starting a YouTube channel and have no idea what you want to make videos about, then this video is for you. But before we dive into the top niches of 2026, I want to say to you up front, you don't have to dive down into a tiny niche in order to be successful. Seriously, you don't have to lock yourself into a box in order to make successful content. But having some direction, especially when you're new, helps you build confidence, learn faster, and figure out what you actually enjoy making. So today I'm breaking down some of the best performing YouTube niches going into 2026 and how you can use them as inspiration, not a limitation. When you're new to YouTube, everything feels huge. What camera do I buy? How do I get views? What's a thumbnail? But at the end of the day, it comes down to what you're making videos about. Because your topic is what connects you to your audience. The trick isn't to find that perfect niche. It's to find something that you can show up with consistently. Something that overlaps between something you enjoy, what are people searching for, and what can you talk about for a long time. That right there is your starting point. So let's talk about some of the best niches heading into 2026. Not just based off of CPM, which is what the advertisers will pay, but on real opportunity for new creators. Personal finance and life simplification. This space always performs well, but it's evolving here lately. People don't just want investing advice. They want peace of mind. Budgeting, decluttering finances, simple living, paying off debt. Those sub-niches are exploding. If you're good at explaining things simply, or sharing your own journey, this one has serious potential for you. AI, tech, and digital tools for normal people. AI tools are everywhere nowadays, but most of the videos are still super technical. If you can explain tools like ChatGPT, Canva, CapCut in simple terms, then there's a lot of room for you here. Focus on showing how everyday people can use these tools. Creators, parents, small business owners. That's where the growth will be. Health, wellness, and mindset. The realistic kind. People are burnt out on perfect. Creators showing real life routines, balanced fitness, mental health, meditation, and healthy habits, especially for older audiences, are thriving. If you've learned to find balance instead of perfection, your story can help tons of people. Education and skill building. Teach what you know isn't just cliche anymore. It's the backbone of YouTube. Tutorials, how-tos, explainers, and crash courses never go out of style. Whether it's editing videos on iPhone, cooking simple meals, or explaining history, educational content builds trust and watch time. Story-driven lifestyle and vlogging, but with purpose. Traditional vlogs are not as big as they used to be, but storytelling lifestyle content, that's still powerful. Think a day in the life videos that teach something or show a journey. The key is relatability, not showing a perfect life, but showing your real one with purpose, outdoor, nature, and adventure. This niche is growing fast. People want connection, calm, and authenticity. Whether it's trail running, camping, van life, or just exploring local parks, nature-based content connects emotionally, and it's great for creators who value peace over pleasure. Creative skills and side projects. Photography, painting, music, home design, woodworking, or even YouTube growth. Anything where you share your creative process will always have a place. The best part? People love watching creators learn in real time. You don't have to be an expert. Just be honest about your journey. So yes, niches help. But here's the truth. Your niche is just your playground. You can start with one, but you don't have to stay there for forever. Most creators evolve. Their channels shift naturally as they find their voice and their community. So instead of saying, I have to find that perfect niche, think of it like this. I'm choosing a starting line. You can always adjust your direction later. If you're serious about starting your YouTube channel in 2026, don't get stuck in research mode. Pick a topic you like, make a few videos, and learn as you go. That's the only way any of us ever figure it out. If you enjoyed this and it helped you, hit that like button so it pushes it out to other creators who are looking to figure out their niche. And if you want to go deeper, check out my next video where I talk about that you don't have to niche down and how most creators are growing faster by exploring more than one idea. Until next time, keep creating, keep experimenting, and remember, your story means way more than your niche.